Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my winter clean with me. I am long due for like a deep cleaning of my apartment. Well, I cleaned like the kitchen and stuff the other day, but this video is going to be cleaning my room and bathroom. I really need to clean like my shower in depth because honestly I think I've only bleached it and stuff like once this semester, which is so bad. I've just been super busy. I do like little cleanings here and there, but I'd never actually like I said, bleach it and scrub it down and stuff. So I'm gonna be doing that today, as well as the rest of my bathroom and bedroom. My room isn't cluttered at all. Like I usually keep my stuff away. I never have like a messy room, but it's definitely like the dirt and grime needs to go because I also just got over being sick for like 3 weeks. It was like coming and going for a long time, keeping me sick, which made me not want to do this yet. So I finally have a free day off of work, so I'm going to be doing that today. I also apologize for my appearance. I'm very pale and no makeup, nothing. Not looking my best, but who goes and looks cute while they're cleaning? So I love watching cleaning videos. I feel like they're really motivating and also just like, I don't know, it's like weirdly fun to watch like someone go from like really messy to really clean. I think I might start with my bathroom actually, which I didn't think I was gonna do just because I want that bleach to sit for a while. I actually might make my bed first. I'm not gonna wash my sheets because I did not that long ago, so I'm not gonna do that again, at least not today. I think I might do some laundry tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna put a load in late tonight. I was gonna put in some clothes like first thing, but I didn't want to in case I use like towels or rags that I want to throw in there whenever I'm done cleaning. So I'll either do that late tonight or tomorrow morning. So either way I need to make my bed because I just don't want it looking messy. So I used to have these two gray blankets. Well, at first I only had this one on my bed, and then I added this gray one too. And now I have this white one, so there's like absolutely no need for me to have 3 extra blankets. I kind of only want the white one on it, like I feel like it would look better, but I'm just gonna keep both of them there for now. I honestly like don't like the pillows that I have anymore. Like I'm over like the whole sequins thing, I think, and like the gold, I don't know. But I have some better pillows at home. These are kind of too, I don't know the word, like too warm. I don't want like this warm of a tan color, and also the design is just not really my style. So maybe after this semester I will switch up my bedding a little bit. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of any of this anymore. Like I don't really like those, but there's no point in changing it. I'm only gonna be here for another semester and then I can redo my room at home, but I'm just gonna probably leave most of it. I think I might put this out in the living room though, because we only have one blanket. We have this one kind of like draped here because there's like paint marks, like because this used to be up against the wall. So I actually think I might cover it with this one and then like put that one like draped somewhere because that looks like more of a throw. I'm also going to be lighting a couple candles. I always talk about this. I like to light my candles like while I'm cleaning rather than after. This is actually one that I made at this place in Tampa called the Candle Pour. So I got to like customize the scent and everything. I tried to make it smell kind of like the volcano candle from Anthropologie, but it doesn't really. I mean, it smells good, but definitely not like that. But I'm just gonna have this one going in my room. Definitely should have cut the wick, I think, but it's okay. I also have my warmer going over there that has volcano scent in it. Sorry about the fan being loud, but this is the best dupe I've ever found for the volcano candle. It's Sensational Storm scent, and it's literally so good. It smells just like it. I've never found a candle that smells more like volcano from Anthropologie. So I absolutely love this one, and this whole big thing was only like $12 at TJ Maxx. I've already burned like, oh my gosh, is that half? There's no way. Oh wait, I'm really sad. I literally got it like not that long ago and it's like halfway gone. Yeah, the first thing I'm going to start with is my shower. I don't even want to show it because I haven't opened it, but I don't even know how bad it looks right now. But I'm basically gonna like wipe down the sides and the faucet and everything, and then I will like scrub and bleach it. So yeah, I actually am gonna throw these in the washing machine really quick. Maybe with some of my towels too, just because they're gross and they need to be washed. So I'm just gonna do that now and have that done. So I've taken a pretty long break, but everything in here is clean. Cleaned my counter, sink, toilet, and shower. Definitely looks a lot better now. I definitely need to vacuum the floor, but I'm probably gonna do that at the end when I vacuum my room too. I just put that bag there for like some trash, but I really want to reorganize these cabinets because they're like really cluttered and not organized, I guess. And also if there's anything I can get rid of, I'm gonna do that because I'm also trying to just like declutter a lot and get rid of things that I don't need anymore. Every year, every break, I kind of try and like get rid of stuff because if I haven't used it since then, I'm probably not going to use it now. So just want to get rid of everything and anything that I can. Okay, so this actually does look a lot better. I just have like the cleaning stuff and a few beauty things like lotion and whatever it's called, nail polish remover. This looks like a mess, I know. This apartment came with like no drawers anywhere, so I just had to get these and like take them apart. So all my stuff is pretty much stuffed in here. I have underneath at the very bottom, I have all my nail polish in a container. And then on top, I just set this that has a bunch of like medicine and like medical stuff, cotton swabs, Q-tips, and I have some like travel soap containers. So it looks unorganized, but I promise I know where everything is. And here I have like things that I don't use every day, so like extras of stuff. I have a bunch of bath bombs, face masks, my hair dryer, and some like backup deodorants and like body sprays and stuff. And then this is everything that I use on a day-to-day basis. Again, it's all just kind of thrown in here, but I just grab for it every day. My hair tools, headbands, tanner, deodorant, hairspray, hair ties and stuff back there. I didn't get rid of too much, but just like reorganizing it makes me feel a lot better. I also want to wipe these counters down. I didn't think about that. They're pretty gross. I don't have Clorox wipes, so as you can see, I've been using like a sponge with some like bleach cleaner. Probably shouldn't have put that on this, so I might just wipe down with paper towel, honestly. Okay, I'm now moving on to my room. I just have to obviously declutter that and do some dusting and cleaning. I really should be cleaning my makeup brushes. Let's see if I have the energy to do that tonight. But definitely need to do some overall like dusting and wiping down of stuff. So I just emptied out my ceramic makeup holder and I actually washed it in the sink out there, and then this is all the stuff I'm keeping, which is pretty much all my everyday stuff. And I did find a few things I am gonna get rid of. Some of it I might just throw out because it's just gross or old, but like things like this, I'm gonna see if any of my friends want them because they're still really good. Like this Color Pop I never used, so there's definitely a few things I could give away. But yeah, now I'm just gonna put all of these back. Time to finally vacuum. So I vacuumed everything. Everything's really clean. Did the bathroom. I think the very last thing I'm gonna do is wash my makeup brushes, which will be really annoying and take a while, but it needs to be done and I need to just do it now. Today I wanted to get done like all of the cleaning part, and then tomorrow I'm gonna like go through my clothes, my drawers and stuff, and get rid of more things just to kind of declutter. Another thing I like to do is wipe down my computer and like phone and stuff, but I actually don't have Clorox wipes. Well, you're not really supposed to do it with Clorox wipes, but I do it anyway. So not the screen, but just like this. So I'm just gonna wait and do that later. But yeah, I'm gonna do my brushes now and then just plan to do the rest of like decluttering and stuff after. So I took out all my brushes. I'm gonna wash them, and then I'm also gonna rinse these out. So I'm gonna put these in like a strainer and rinse out the beads. So it's actually the next day now. Last night I just finished cleaning my makeup brushes and I let them dry overnight. I'm gonna put them back in like the little jars that I have for them and put those back on my counter. And today I'm gonna do a little bit of like decluttering, so like going through my drawers, reorganizing those, and also going through my closet. At least now everything in my room is like clean and wiped down, and now it's just more of going through my stuff and getting rid of things if I want to. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab my brushes now and put them back on my desk. So when I was washing my beauty blender, this happened. I'm appalled, literally. I started washing like the outside of it just to get like the nasty like foundation off, and it started ripping. So I was like, oh wait, let me just see if I can like rip off the layer of like foundation that was around it, because that's the gross part. Like I've always thought it like seeped into the middle, but I guess it doesn't. Long story short, the layer that I tried to rip off did not come off very evenly, and now it's looks like this. I'm gonna try and use it again today to see if it's even possible until I can pick up a new one. But yeah, this is the situation and I'm really upset. But I have all my brushes here clean and dry. I'm gonna wipe them on the towel a little bit to dry them off more, and then I'm gonna put them in their containers. I'm also going to throw some laundry in really quick, just have that going, and then hopefully I can switch it before I have to leave later. Okay, so these were all the clothes I decided to get rid of from my drawer and my closet. I have some stuff at my house too that I'm going to go through when I go home, but I think this is a pretty good amount. My drawers are very organized. Rolled all my shirts. I have like t-shirts, Zeta shirts, and like some more like going out shirts, and my jeans and bottoms and stuff. Closet looks pretty good. It wasn't too much of a difference. I'm gonna end off this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry it was kind of broken up into 2 different days. I figured I could get everything done yesterday, but I didn't. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and maybe it gave you some motivation to clean out your stuff. I've done some other cleaning videos in the past, so make sure to check those out. Thanks for watching.